Hello, and good morning, everyone. I am dropping in to give you my review of this portable laptop charger with AC outlets here. Um, it's 100 watts and 110 volts external power battery power pack. So many wonderful things I can tell you about this gadget. Number one, it's got a nice size to it. Basically, I'll be taking this with me when I'm on travel. It's got a really neat display here, so you can see that it's fully charged and ready for use. Something else that I wanted to show you, I want to make sure that, as I said, it has the outlets here as well. It also has several flashlights to it. Just see if I can turn it on for you. I don't want it to flash in case some of you have issues with flashing lights, but it's really bright. I'll turn it to the side here and try to give you an example of some of the other settings for it. Slow and fast, as you can see. It also has a smaller set of lights here on this side. So again, it does come with the power cord here. I still have it plugged in because I just unplugged it to do my review. But again, it's very lightweight, easy to carry, doesn't take up a lot of space. Great for travel. So for me, I'm going to give it 5 stars. I love everything about this unit. It's great. It solves a lot of my travel problems, and I won't be leaving home without it because it brings so much value to the larger picture here. Let me unplug this so you can see some of the other available settings here for you. So you have a lot of ways to connect. Great product. I am so pleased that I came across this. I believe that it's worth the investment. It will save you a lot in the long run. So again, 5 stars from me for this portable laptop charger with AC outlets, 100 watts, 110 volts, external battery power pack. I am loving this little gadget. 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars for me. 5 all the way around. I love it.